How to fix Instagram Messenger update option not showing easily and fast. So welcome back guys to this brand new video. I'm gonna show you how to fix it. First thing, open the settings on your phone, go to the wireless and networks, and then enable the airplane mode. And now go back to the settings, open the apps manager, go to the apps. Now you have to wait a few seconds. It will start loading all the apps that you have on your phone. After that, scroll until you find Instagram. Click on Instagram like this, and now click on this force stop. After click on it, go back to the settings on your phone, click on the wireless and networks, and then disable the airplane mode. Now you need to go back to the home page and open the Play Store or the App Store. Search for Instagram and update it. Don't forget to like, subscribe.